Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is your girl Lovett. How you all doing? Welcome back today. Okay, today we are going to discuss something that I've already noticed over the years as a business owner or somebody that have already been in business. Honestly, starting a business is not easy. It's not for the weak. Sincerely speaking, it will test your courage, it will test your resilience, it will test your strength. So as a business owner or a founder, please don't give up on your business. Make sure that you carry the business like a child. It's just like a newborn baby. When a child is being born, it's fragile, is very tender. You nurture it, you grow it, you take your time to you are patient with it to grow. So it's the same thing with a business like a child. Business is like a child, yes. So when you start initially, it will be very daunting, it will be very difficult. It's even discouraging if care is not taken. So but your ability to be patient with it, to not be discouraged even when you don't get help, because the tendency of not getting help is high, because it's not any other person's dream or it's not every other person's vision. It's your vision. God will have already created it in your heart for you to do well. So if as a founder you are waiting for people to back you up, you are waiting for people to give you the strength, you are waiting for people to support you before you will be able to take the next move, you wait for a very long time. So I urge you today, take care of your business like a child. Be patient with it, grow with it. As you are building it today, the business will build you. It will come a time when it will grow to the point that you'll be able to travel to different country you want. You'll be able to do things you wouldn't even think you would have done. You'll be able to build and scale to the next level. People will now come back and ask you, how did you do it? So but for the meantime, you need to have that courage, you need to have that discipline, you need to have that tenacity, that resilience to keep fighting. You need to build it to the next point that at the end of the day you will be happy. So take care of your business. Even when people don't support you, don't give up on the business, don't give up on yourself. Be firm. You are the one God give the vision to carry it to the next level. Don't procrastinate. Don't give in to disappointment. You will lose a lot of friends. You will not have time to do picnic, to go to club, to do other stuff that you would have loved to do because of the timing, because it takes your time, it takes your mental health, it takes so many things, physical, your money, your everything that you need to take for you to grow it. So don't be discouraged. I'm urging you today. One day you will smile and you'll be happy. So don't complain whether people support you. Appreciate those that support you. Be happy with them and grow it to the next level. The business that you are taking care of today, tomorrow it will take care of you. So I really hope this work, and I pray and I hope your business put a smile on your face. So thank you. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. We are here for growth. We are here for everything that have to do with wholeness. So thank you and God bless you. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Thank you. Bye.